Feel the rhythm? It's Jamaican pride representing for CCN World TV News. It's CCN World TV News.
What if I told you that one of the biggest topics across Jamaica right now is surrounded by confusion, fear, and unanswered questions? Are third country nationals really coming to Jamaica? Has a location already been chosen? Or has social media gotten ahead of the facts? Well, today, the Jamaica Constabulary Force has finally responded, and what they say may surprise many Jamaicans. Stay with me until the end because I'll explain exactly what the police said in plain Jamaican language. Over the last few days, social media has been flooded with claims that migrants could soon be housed in Jamaica, particularly in St. Mary. The reports have sparked concern, heated debates, and even calls for protest. Now the police are urging Jamaicans to slow down before jumping to conclusions. Here's why. According to the Jamaica Constabulary Force, there is currently no arrangement in place to house third country nationals in St. Mary. The police has also made it clear that while there has been discussion surrounding the issue, no plan is in place to house them as yet. So, despite what you've probably seen or heard online, the JCF says there is no confirmed migrant facility in St. Mary at this time. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly are third country nationals? Simply put, these are people who are not citizens of Jamaica and are also not citizens of the country that is transferring them. In this situation, the discussion is about migrants the United States may ask Jamaica to temporarily accept under a proposed agreement. However, the police are stressing that Jamaicans should rely on official announcements, not rumors or social media speculation. But that's not all. The JCF also addressed something else that has become increasingly worrying. As emotions continue to rise online, the police say they have seen comments encouraging threats, intimidation, and damage to property. Their message is straightforward: threatening people, intimidating others, or damaging property are criminal offenses and will be dealt with according to the law. The JCF is urging everyone to express their concerns peacefully and through legal channels. Whether you support or oppose the possibility of Jamaica accepting third country nationals, the police are asking one thing of every Jamaican: stay calm. Verify the facts before sharing information. Avoid spreading rumors and allow official updates to guide the national conversation. The JCF says its priority remains maintaining public order and ensuring the safety and security of everyone living in Jamaica. Now, I'd like to hear from you. Do you believe the government should provide more information to the public about this matter? Share your thoughts respectfully in the comments below. If you found this helpful and easy to understand, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.